English story time. I am teacher Cindy. Hello, boys and girls. Oh my God, that had it from E-I-E-I-O. Do you know cows is one of the farm animals, which means you can see cows on the farm. Yeah, on Tuesday. You guys have already learned with teacher Christiana Lee about this book, Inside a Cow. Then I believe you already knew that cows is a ruminant. 它是一个反刍类的动物 which means when they eat grass, when they swallow into their stomach, for a while, digest 消化一段时间消化之后，它又怎么样？又吐出来 ，they throw out again in their mouth and they chew their food again. 那每天呢，这只牛牛它要把它吐出来的食物在嘴巴里头要嚼6到8个小时哦。那嚼完之后，它再吞进去它的胃里头。OK， 所以这样子。吃东西的行为，这样子的动物，我们称之为 ruminant， 它是一种反刍类的食物。We know there are a lot of people will say, "Oh, cows have 4 stomachs." 好多人说这一只牛啊，牛这种动物它有4个胃。No, actually not. Cows actually only have 1 stomach, but they have 4 compartments. Okay, they have 4 compartments. 什么意思呢？其实牛这个动物它只有1个胃，但是它 very big， 它非常的大，但是它里头有4个小空间。They have 4 compartments, so that's why we say cows have 4 stomachs. It's very different from human, right? 跟人类很不一样。We only have 1 stomach. 1 stomach right here, right? Okay, so we also have a heart, we have lungs, we have liver, we have kidney, and we have a lot of 不同的器官在你的身体里头。Okay, so you will learn more in the future. Today we're gonna know more about cows. Before we jump into the facts of the cows, Teacher Cindy would like to ask you one question. This book, Inside the Cow, it's a non-fiction book or it's a fiction book? 它是虚构类的 fiction book 还是非虚构类的 non-fiction book 呢？This book tells you a lot of facts and information， 告诉你很多事实，让你从当中学到了很多资讯。Everything is really happens in the world， 它是真实发生在世界当中的。你学到牛的消化怎么去消化，然后它反刍的东西我们称之为 cud。Okay, so 这些东西它是非虚构类的文体。So this book is a non-fiction book. 你答对了吗 ？Okay, so we're gonna learn more about cows are herbivores. 它们是草食性的食物。什么叫 herbivores 呢？它的意思就是说它是 plant eaters， 它只吃植物，它不吃任何的肉，所以它不像 tigers、lions 这些肉食性的动物，它 only eat plant. They are plant eaters. They are herbivores. Okay, so 那你认识它是吃草了之后，那我们来看看它还有哪些事实你必须要知道的呢？我告诉你一件小秘密 ：Cows have 32 teeth as human. Cows have 32 teeth as human. 我们人类也有32颗牙，但是 they only eat food with bottom teeth. 他们的牙齿只有在下排，他们上排是没有牙齿的。所以牛牛在吃东西的时候，它会你会发现它不是用咬的，它是用磨的，因为它的上排没有牙齿，没办法和我们一样用咬的，它们必须用磨的哦。Okay, so they only have the teeth at the bottom. They don't have the up teeth. Okay, so when they eat the food, they have one stomach with 4 compartments. 这个你已经从书当中知道了。当牛牛在吃东西进去的时候，它会先经过它的第一个胃，然后呢，消化之后把它的食物吐出来，在它的嘴巴里面嚼6到8个小时。They ate food for 6 to 8 hours a day for rechewing the food. Rechew 就再次咀嚼的意思。So 这样子的 food 我们称之为 cud. You know from the book. Okay, so they eat it, they chew the food. And what happened? The food goes back into their stomach. And actually, it takes 2 days to turn grass into milk. 哦，你也知道牛牛是吃植物的，对吗？它可能吃一些谷类 ，grains, maybe some herbs, maybe eat some grass. After they eat the food for 2 days, then it starts to turn the food into milk. 所以牛牛它，你也知道它是怎么样，它会产出牛奶的。你喝那些牛奶就是来自于 cows. Do you know that? And how many days does it need to take? 2 days. 所以如果你想要喝一瓶新鲜的牛奶，至少要等牛牛等2天哦。So these are the facts about the cows. Let's review one more time. Cows have 32 teeth, but they only have the teeth at the bottom. They don't have the teeth on the up, and they will chew the food for 6 to 8 hours per day. And they have one stomach with 4 compartments, and it takes 2 days to turn grass into milk. 所以以后有人问你 boys and girls, 牛牛它有几个胃啊？你就不会回答4个。No, no, no. You should say 它有1个胃，但是它非常非常的大，有4个空间。所以这就是为什么人类他会说牛有4个胃。那其实你知道它的原理咯。Okay, so 那现在 Teacher Cindy would give you a test before we do the DIY. Okay, 我要测试试看你在这本书之外，你消化了这本书的内容 and memorizing your brain and the facts Teacher Cindy tells you. 你记得了多少呢？ So, boys and girls, these are the questions. There are 5 questions right here. I would like to ask you, and let's answer one by one. Okay? Okay, okay, okay. Can you do it? Yes, I can do it. So let's see Q&A question and answers. Question number 1. Question number 1. Let's read together. Cows eat. Blah, blah, blah. Cows eat. 牛都吃什么食物呢？ Cows eat grass. Very good. They eat grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Cows eat grass. First one, easy, no problem. Question number 2. A plant eater is called an herbivore. Okay, this one is a lot It's very hard to spell, that's okay. A plant eater is called an herbivore. You will learn more in the future. Number 3, cows have blah 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 teeth. 还记得我们刚刚说牛和人类一样有多少颗牙呢？ They have 32. They have 32 teeth. How about number 4? Cows have blah 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 stomach with blah 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 complements. You're gonna give you number. You're gonna give me numbers. 刚刚我们有复习，特别强调，而且这边有暗示提示给你。Cows have 1 stomach with 4 complements. Good. 最后一个问题啦，小朋友，你可以答对吗 ？Number 5. When a cow chews her food for a second time， 当牛呢，它在嚼它的食物，第2次嚼它的食物的时候，它正在嚼什么呢 ？She is chewing her 反刍的那个食物叫什么 ？Do you remember? It called cud. Okay, it called cud. So 你答对了吗？这5个问题你得到多少分？我相信如果你很认真听，每一个小朋友都可以 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5题都答对，就是5分啦。OK， 那现在我们最喜欢做的 DIY time. Now for the DIY, you remember the cows make milk, right? Cows make milk. 牛它是产你喝的牛奶的。那我们今天要来让你准备挤牛奶的感觉。Okay, so now I need you prepare this kind of gloves. 如果你有这种妈妈在家里洗碗的手套 ，you can prepare 1. 如果你家里有医生、牙医在给你看病的医疗人员在戴的那种手套也是可以的。那今天 Cindy 老师准备的是这样子 ，and also with a cup of water and the white paint， 我会准备白色的颜料，一杯水和白色的颜料，把它们2个 mix together， 它就会像牛奶的颜色，对吗？而且有液体可以流动。接下来我需要你拿大头针 pin 去把其中几个手指的末端去穿一个洞，这样子把你会怎么样？你就可以挤牛奶啦。首先 ，after you mix， then you pour the water in this glove， 那它就会肿起来，对不对？就跟图片一样，小女孩也这么做。然后呢，你就可以这样子丝丝的挤，用这个手就很像怎么样？很像牛牛的内内的 ，OK， 就很像他们的挤的那个挤出来乳头那个地方，所以你要小心哦，不要把这个洞一下子弄太大，这样子会喷出来哦。所以你装水了之后，这样子用他的手的部分，你这样子慢慢的挤，记得拿一个杯子接你挤出来的牛奶，然后你可以跟你的弟弟妹妹一起玩，那2个人还可以比赛，谁挤出来的牛奶比较多。Okay, so this one you learn a lot about cows, and you also have very fun with the DIY. I believe you can enjoy a lot as the picture. The girl, okay? So wish you have a fun weekend with your family. See you next time. The more you know, the more you grow. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.